What is the first step in diagnosing the issue if it is a printing issue? A. Ask the user if there is paper in the printer. B. Ask the user to determine if the fuser is functional. C. Determine if the printer is connected to the local machine or a network printer. D. Ask the user if the printer is turned on. True or false, you can fix 70% of system problems remotely. A. False. B. True. A customer phones and laments forgetting their password. What do you do first to address the problem? A. Get in your vehicle, go to the site and make sure the user's caps lock is off. B. Remotely log into the system and reset the user's password. C. Ascertain whether the user is logging into a web application, domain, or local workstation. D. Positively identify the user's identity. Exactly what is not an operating system? A. MS Word. B. DOS. C. Linux. D. Windows. Identify the following software that is not an email client. A. Mozilla Firefox. B. Microsoft Outlook 2003. C. Outlook Express 6. D. Windows Live Mail. What is Paste's keyboard shortcut? A. Ctrl+V. B. Ctrl+C. C. Caps Lock plus V. D. Ctrl+P. What computer operating system replaced Windows 98? A. Windows CE. B. Windows ME. C. Windows Vista. D. Windows XP. True/false, regardless of whether the call is open or closed, we can give access to a Cerner associate who requests front backend access to EPR if they supply us with an SDE ticket number. A. False. B. True. True or false, you must transfer users who contact to request a WorkBrain password reset to workload measurement at X52522. A. False. B. True. You receive a call from a user who claims to be experiencing an Outlook event alone. Which group do you escalate the event to after you log it? A. Exchange. B. PC support. C. DC Oakland. D. Outlook support. The caller wants to increase their drive quota. What advice would you give? A. Suggest that user save files to C drive. B. Advise user to call his/her manager. C. Let them know that the quota allocated is sufficient. D. Advise user to go to Infonet website and submit a quota request form. Someone wishes to update the employee directory with their new address. Which of the following would you recommend? A. Tell user to post mail changes to HR. B. Let user know that these changes are not permitted. C. Advise the user to go to IMS and submit changes via IMS. D. Advise the user to change the properties in employee directory. The computer's mental core. This section performs calculations, moves, and information processing. A. RAM. B. Motherboard. C. Hard drive. D. CPU. The equivalent of 1 MB is A. 1 billion bytes. B. 1024 kilobytes. C. 1000 bytes. D. The amount of RAM in every computer. What exactly does www mean? A. World Wide Web. B. Wide World Web. C. Winding Web World. D. None of the above. The best way to define a modem is A. An application that restricts access to your computer and your files by other internet users. B. A device that allows you to connect your PC to an internet service. C. A piece of computer software used for web browsing, such as Internet Explorer. D. An interconnected group of computers. The best definition of an IP address is A. Internet Service Provider. The location of a business that offers internet connectivity to people and other businesses. B. The distance between internet packets on a network, expressed in kilobytes. C. An IP address is a four-part, uniquely identifiable number, for example, 217.247.84.89, that is connected to each system on a network. D. All of the above. The best way to characterize malware is A. Computer program intended to enter or harm a system without the owner's knowledge or approval. B. A computer program created to guard against viruses and other malware. C. Software for Microsoft Arithmetic LAN. Any Windows-based computer system uses software to manage network connections in the background. D. None of the above. Which of the following statements most accurately describes an operating system? A. The master control program that oversees a computer's internal processes and gives the file system and operations a way of control. B. The program that controls how a computer's hardware and software interact. C. The program that enables users of computers to run programs on a given system's hardware. Examples of operating systems include Microsoft Windows and the OS from Apple computers. D. All of the above. The best way to define a modem is A. An application that restricts access to your computer and your files by other internet users. B. A device that allows you to connect your PC to an internet service. C. A piece of computer software used for web browsing, such as Internet Explorer. D. An interconnected group of computers. Best help desk software tips and strategies. The majority of businesses are centered on communication. Most companies eventually require a mechanism to manage those discussions, whether dealing with IT requests from staff members or corresponding with consumers to help resolve service-related concerns. Using help desk software is among the most acceptable methods to accomplish it. A tool for managing, organizing, and responding to service-related requests is help desk software. Some help desks are used for demands from consumers outside the company, while others are used for requests from team members inside the company. Help desks may include features such as a live chat option, a knowledge base, and a shared inbox. Nevertheless, not all help desks offer all the resources mentioned above. Using a help desk platform is a terrific approach to enhancing your customer experience because it unifies all of your customer care interactions into one omni-channel solution. 75% of customers want a consistent experience, regardless of how they engage a company, through social media, in person, by phone, etc.